Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today I thought I would do something a little different, and I've purchased this sketchbook. I wanted to start a practice of doing art a bit more often. I spend a lot of time editing videos, so I just really wanted to have a go at doing some drawing, maybe use it for using watercolor pencils, which I haven't ever added water to, and a few other bits and pieces that I have. Just testing out things. So, should I leave the first page blank? Why do I feel like I need to? Like maybe I could write something in there. Let's start here. Might just weigh that down with something. So today I thought I would draw a bird. In particular, a rosella. When I was in high school, I drew a rosella in my art book. So I thought it might be fitting to start there again. It's a subject I'd like to do in my paintings, adding some birds. So I thought I would practice in my sketchbook first. And I think I'm going to take this time to just kind of chill. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy the process, and we'll put in a time lapse. I've got this art eraser that is moldable, so I thought I might use it to do some highlights or just learn how to use it, I guess. I need to practice my shading. It's something that I lack a little bit in my drawings. They tend to be a bit flat, so that looks better. The eye. Okay, could just keep going. What's the date today? I'm pretty happy with my first sketch into the book. I'm probably going to do things like watercolours, pencil watercolours that I've got. Some abstract paintings. I'll probably mask out some things maybe. Maybe I should do both sides. I'll get twice as much out of the book if I do that. Yeah. So let me know if you want to see me do more stuff into the book and what you'd like to see. Big shout out to the members and creative supporters for supporting the channel and everyone who likes and subscribes. It really helps the video get seen. I'm going to keep fiddling if I leave the book open. But I'm going to have to spray this with a fixative. Let me just have a look. So I do have this fixative that I can spray to seal this. I've never tried it. Oh, it's by the same. I've got some oil pastels. Where are they? I've got these oil sticks, which is the same brand as this fixative, which I haven't opened yet, that are all ocean colours. So if you want to see me make something with those, there's 6 colours. Could be interesting. Let's just spray this. Probably need a mask. And hopefully that will stop it rubbing. If you don't have a fixative like this, you can use hairspray. This is just in my sketchbook, so it wouldn't matter if I just used hairspray. But that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.